everyone! Are you ready to dive into one of the most exhilarating celebrations on the Filipino calendar? That's right, I'm talking about the Philippines Independence Day 2024. And this year, it's not just a holiday, it's a festival of freedom that spreads across 3 vibrant days. Starting June 10th, Manila will be transformed into a hub of excitement and pride at the historic Burnham Green, Roxas Boulevard, right across from the iconic Quirino Grandstand. And guess what? It's all free to attend. This isn't your regular holiday celebration. It's a full-blown festival with a kaleidoscope of events catering to everyone, from the young to the young at heart. Imagine starting your day with the Calayan obstacle course. Yeah, it's as thrilling as it sounds, where you can race through challenges that not only test your physical limits, but also ignite that fiery Filipino spirit. But hey, if you're more into flavors than feats of strength, you won't want to miss the Cucina Warrior event. It's a culinary showdown that promises to be a feast for the senses. Picture the most tantalizing Filipino dishes, each telling a story of heritage and pride, all vying for the top spot. Who will be crowned the kitchen champion this year? You'll have to be there to find out. And for those who find their rhythm in beats and melodies, Musicalayan will be your haven. It's a musical delight that showcases local talents, bringing beats and harmonies that resonate with the heart of the Philippines. Whether you're into soothing ballads or upbeat tunes, there's something to get everyone dancing. Plus, in the spirit of giving back, the festival also includes government service booths offering valuable community services. And hey, who can say no to free movie showings? It's a perfect chance to relax after a day full of activities. This celebration is more than just an event. It's a showcase of Filipino spirit and pride, designed to bring us all closer in a time when unity and joy are more precious than ever. So mark your calendars, bring your friends and family, and let's make Independence Day 2024 a memorable festival of freedom. See you there. Remember, it's a celebration of liberty, community, and culture. All the things that make us proud to be Filipino. Don't miss out on this amazing 3-day extravaganza. Let's come together and celebrate the spirit of independence in true Filipino style. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Here's to a fantastic festival ahead. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!